Oops. I look disgusting. This look today, because I'm insecure about my hair today. Do I regret cutting my hair? No, but am I letting it grow? Am I letting it grow out? Yes. Okay, maybe it's not that bad. You know what? Because the beanie made me more insecure. What's up, guys? It's me, obviously. I'm cleaning my room. It's alright. I mean, like, is it super bad? No. But I'm actually gonna talk in this video. Like, I'm not gonna put music over it. I might move my bed, but I also am super unmotivated to do that, so I might not. Let's take a quick look. This is it. That I just put that there, but Yep. This is my dog's cage. It's a whole story. Majority of the story is that she's been sleeping in my room. Of that whole thing, and then my dirty clothes are pouring out of my closet for whatever reason, and there's a bunch of crap on the floor. I mean, what do we do about it? Nothing. Ugh! I don't like any of that. I have like 18 pillows. This is Boba's. This isn't even mine. Okay, we're gonna start off by putting all of my stuff, like my pillows, on my bed. And taking everybody's crap that isn't mine out of here. We're gonna take out Puma's stuff. Oh. This was her. I don't even eat hot Cheetos. Nasty. I'll be right back. Hold on. Might as well take everybody else's stuff out of here. Rubik's Cube. I don't know. Blanket. Y'all, I go through like 15 pairs of socks a day because I end up taking them off just to take them off. Like, I literally will lay down and take off my socks. There's no apparent reason. It just happens. Like, should I make it there right now? Maybe, but am I gonna do it? Absolutely not. Is my plant dying? Not on my watch. Well, I can see floor. Clean enough for me. Okay. We're gonna start by taking out dishes. That is actually not that bad. It could be worse. And one of them is near mine. Oh, that hurt like that cheek all stick. But I can't find my tool. Kind of panicking, but it's okay. I might just ask for another one. Oh no. Oh no! Oh my god, he's not supposed to be hard. Okay, no. Literally, like, it's supposed to be, like, soft right now, because it's not supposed to be leather hard. Oh no, now I can't drink out of that. Dang it. Anyways, oh yeah, this is Fregley. Not the prettiest, but, my teacher said it was fine. But I need to carve, like, random stuff into it and, like, eyes. Yeah. I don't even know what's dirty, so I'm just gonna throw it all in here. I felt something in the pocket. I don't know why I have the word dong water stuck in my head. Like, I don't even know what that's from. I was looking for this bra. My sisters knocked this out of the wall. I literally don't even know. I mean, the ceiling. I genuinely don't know how that happened. But they dropped it. This isn't even mine. Like, what? Whoa, my ear's ringing. It's coming back in here. Oh my god, why is it wet? It's just on the floor. I still have socks under here because I didn't want to scratch the floor. This is my clay. It was alive. I don't know. So this is trash and I feel so bad. It's a freaking succulent and I killed it. This is the sink. I found needle and thread. I accidentally dropped the thread. But it comes with the cutest little scissors. That's so cute. But I dropped this on accident. But I don't want to waste it. What the hell? I don't want to waste this, so. I just dropped it. Oh my god. Now it's like 8 feet long. Mine. I swear to God. Other people's crap be ending up in here. Oh, that straight assaulted me. Rude as hell. Go in here. That doesn't fit. What time is it?
It's 12:54 a.m.
Chips and dip? Amazing. Okay. My girlfriend and my mom said I should move it center. Why is it so like this? Like straight? I don't think that would look too bad. We're gonna do it because I just want to change in my life. Literally, like, why is this in here? Like, I don't even know why I kept this. Is this clay even good? Oh my god, this is my old one. I can literally, like, oh, it broke. Oh my god, now I have to vacuum. Well, this is trash anyways. This sticks. Legs, I mean, it sticks.
Y'all ever seen a Hooter girl? 3 little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry.
When I took this apart, I didn't put it back properly or something. I mean, it's fine now. I just screwed it together, but point being, why do I do this to myself? What the hell? Oh, I hurt my pinky. Okay. Well, now I have like no room. I don't Well, we're gonna leave it for a few days. We're just gonna leave it. That was work. For probably no reason, because I might end up moving it back. Okay. We're gonna put everything back on my thingamajig, that thing. Do the tags ever bother you guys, like, to the ultimate, like, oh my god? Okay, I'm gonna move all this junk. Corner. What a cutie. Doesn't really fit, but I like it. There. I'm just gonna put everything that was under my bed back under my bed. Because where else am I gonna put it?
I like it before.
You don't like it?
No, I'm just used to it being like this. Okay?
That was rude.
I'm used to it being like this. Not like this. But it's cute.
Oh, it's cute.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Really? Yeah. What? I don't know if it's pretty.
I don't know.
I put it in.
Okay, now we're gonna dust it off.
Yeah, I see crumbs.
Yeah.
Look at.
Cute. Okay, ready? Throw it that way. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay.
I like it. Your room.
And then the green.
Which way do I put it?
Do it like this so the buttons are out.
Like this? Right here?
Then we have all this extra. We're just gonna throw it on here.
Do you want to fold them?
Do you want to fold them? Jesus, it's hot in here.
They're messy.
Hey. She's all, I hate it.
Where do I put her?
Put her on bed.
She likes it. She's on. Okay.
That's it. Let me just show you my room really quick. Hold on. Let me get this full basket. I'll do that one tomorrow. This is my room with the lights. Light on. Hi, Bean. I don't hate it. I mean, this is my room. Looks smaller, you guys, but my room looks smaller, but I'm not in here enough to really care. And then I left this here. And yeah. Shut up. Yeah. Woohoo. That's the end of this because I'm exhausted and I'm gonna lay down. Not gonna sleep, but I'll see you guys in my next video.